Hey y'all, so I'm about to do my nails. I am using these BTARTBOX nails right here that you probably saw all over TikTok. I'm not sure which method I'm going to use to apply these nails. Either the glue and acrylic method, or I'm going to use just the nail glue, the gel nail glue that I use. But when you use the gel glue, your nails have to be transparent, transparent. So just know that. So I think I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna use the acrylic method. So I am going to just go in and prep my nails. These are dirty. Hold on, y'all. Why you ain't telling me my nails was dirty like that? Okay, so I'm just gonna file my nails just a little bit, just to get them down. So I'm just going to push my cuticles back. I'm going to use my buffer to buff the nails. This alcohol's in the way. I didn't even know it's right there. Just buff my nails gently to get that shine. I hope this lighting, I don't know what happened to the lighting, but I hope it's okay. So now that I have the shine buffed off of my nails, I'm going to take a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and just wipe that excess off of my nails, the dust and everything. So I almost forgot that I need to size my nails. So or do we want this one? Now that we have our nails picked out, I am using the Mia Secrets
let your edge out to some iceberg. You'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. Baby.
So you want to go in. My primer is still wet and I can't stand it. So go in with your nail glue. And voila, and then I'll go in with some more.
I should have given from the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance. This is urgent. Trying to make some simple change to be a war in my mind. Gotta let go when he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will be up in front of me. On the wall, I leave my armor feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Hold me on my fears, my lips.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it.
And I'm going to apply my top coat. But first, because I do my nails once a week, these are definitely necessary. So I had to put those on. So I'm going to use my Kiara Sky top coats. Y'all see what I'm saying? I should have waited. Any excess glue around here and it turns white just like that. I actually like the nails like this. I don't really want a top coat, but you know. See how shiny they are? And this is a no wipe top coat, which most top coats are. Some aren't. The most like higher end professional top coats are. And this one needs to be replaced because it's starting to dry up. So I'm going to hold my hand upside down for a minute. This one is still bubbling for some reason. Y'all see all that extra glue? Horrible.
Tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so